Hi and welcome to Makeup Mugwump. My name is Leanne. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's open a few days of our P. Louise Magic in the Memories Advent Calendar box. I have 4 days here that I need to open. Day 19 is heavy. Day 19 is a bath bomb in the shape of a tape, but I think it's going to be a rainbow bath bomb. It smells amazing. It doesn't tell me what scent it is, but it smells amazing. Day 19. The bath products are new for P. Louise and I'm loving it. Day 20 is a big boy, but light, because it is a tumbler. Cold Nights, Warm Hearts, a little plastic tumbler. That's adorable. There's nothing in it, but it's a tumbler. But I think it's her little eggnog with the little snowflakes. Cute. Okay. Next is day 21. Day 21 is the Rima Kissing matte lipstick in the shade Always Yours. It's early in the morning and my hands don't work early in the morning. Oh, it is so heavy. It's that magnetic packaging I love so much. It's like very similar color. It's kind of a peanut buttery nude. She loves those shades. But this is not this. This is darker than the one we got on day 1. So, and it's a matte, but it's got that beautiful embossing on it and all. Love it. Box 22. It is it is an eyeshadow palette in the shade Team Brad. So I actually have this one. In fact, I got this one twice in my subscription box. This is the one of the 3 I got 2 of. So somebody's getting this. It's a beautiful palette. It's these Brad palettes are, or the like the love tapes or whatever they're just gorgeous. Hang on, let me get the one that I have. I mean, it is a stunning palette, right? It's beautiful. There's a little mirror in the top of the tape. The packaging is wonderful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The problem is I already have it, but that's not really a problem. So I think this is only the second kind of dupe product that I've gotten, and I've been subscribed to her subscription box since April of this year. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So that's days 19 through 22, and I'm excited about her bath bombs. I'm really excited. I love taking baths, y'all. So I'm super excited to see what the price point of these are going to be, because that's a good size one, and I can tell that it's going to shoot the rainbow, and I love that. Makes me so happy. Okay, there's our unboxing. We have 3 more days remaining, Is that right? It is. We're getting so close. Thank you so much for joining me for unboxing these. I'm gonna film Get Ready With Me this morning. So stay tuned for that. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit like if you liked this video. It does help out my channel a lot. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.